welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. It's Tammy with Embellish the Story, and I have a fun treat to share with you today. It's one of my favorite things that I get to create with because there's so many treasures and vintage, unique things in it, and they all come from OohLaLaVintageTreasures Crystals and Pearls Kit Club, and Doreen goes on these fabulous treasure hunts and then fills a kit with all sorts of goodies that she's found and collected over the years. So thank you, Doreen, for sharing all your lovelies with us. And I just wanted to show you what's in this Crystals and Pearls Kit Club. It's called Romantique Serenade, and I have not opened it yet. This is how it came out of the package, and she always does such a beautiful job of presenting things. So here, before I get into all this yummy, here is the note she sent me. It's got some pretty embossing on it. And it says, "Dear Tammy, I hope you have lots of fun creating with my Romantique Serenade kit. Thank you for all of your love and support of my designs and all of the lovely projects you create with my kits. Hugs and blessings, OohLaLaVintageTreasures." So thank you, Doreen. Thank you for your kits and all of the love you put into everything you do. So let's just see if I can discover all of the hidden treasures here. She's always got so much funness tucked in. So this, on top of this envelope, let me kind of slide this down. She has tied on these beautiful bits. Here's this beautiful tea-dyed rose. She tea-dyes so many of her things. And then here's this beautiful green, bluish green trim. Gorgeous. This vintage lace that she's tea-dyed. Pretty pink trim. Another really pretty tulle embroidered piece tucked in there. So many yummy things tucked in. This beautiful, here's another beautiful little lace. Looks like this is she's tied this in a bow. She's so creative how she ties her things. Here's a doily, and on it is one of my favorite things, these dangles she creates. This pearl dangle is just awesome. It's got a key. It's got a sparkly set of rondelle, and then this pretty dangly pearl piece. Look at these seashells, these that she's included. I love those. I've never had anything like that. This beautiful doily. Oh, this applique is just stunning. How gorgeous is that? The pearls and the sequins. And then here is this pretty vintage piece of lace that she's tea-dyed. Let's see, we've seen this. Oh, here's something interesting. Wow, look at that. That is so neat. I've never had a trim like that. And then this is tucked under here, this beautiful rose fabric. Oh, wow, and this is a very neat piece. So how fun is that? And that's the front. I love it. See, there's so many treasured pieces in here. So there's the front, and then if I look on the back, I have another set of goodies. And I'm going to take, these are attached. Oh, this is a bag. Let's see. It's tucked on the back. So this is a bag. Let's see how this goes. It's tied together with this beautiful silk piece. That's so pretty. That's a beautiful raw silk piece. And then tucked in front of the bag is tied this set of goodies. Looks like she's done a lot of embossing. So let's see what's in here. That's so pretty. All right, she's embossed this envelope with some little CD envelopes in here. And what's in this one? This one she's hand-dyed, It's a pink color. And look at these. Oh, look at that. Isn't that precious? This cute little anchor with a chain. Oh my goodness, that is so precious. Let's see. Here's another coffee dyed envelope with a little card in it. Paris, Rome, France. What's your next big trip? I don't know. That's a good question. And here's a beautiful tea-dyed embossed envelope. Here's a pretty pink tea-dyed envelope. And there's little goodies tucked in it. Oh, beautiful die cuts that are embossed. It almost feels like wallpaper. And some of her pretty bows. Those are so cute. I love those. What else do we have? We have some really nice French book page. One of her beautiful paper doilies. This really nice ledger page that she's tea-dyed. Here's another tea-dyed envelope that's been embossed. And then here's this crunchy bag. It's been, I think this is some of Jennifer to Trace of Sparkle's stenciled creations that she does on paper. So this is gorgeous. It's got a gold shimmer. It's stenciled. It's been tea-dyed. And what's here? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a bow. I can tell. Let's see if I can get it off. Oh yeah, she's paper clipped it on. Look at this beautiful bow with this beautiful mint green, bluish trim. And that heart is fabulous. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is, but that's the prettiest heart I've ever received, that I've ever seen. Can't tell if it's a pin. It's gorgeous. Let's see. Then we have some pretty laces. Oh, a really beautiful ruffle there. Look at that. A pink ruffle. I love it. And then some beautiful laces and trims that she made this bow out of, and it's on a paper clip. So let's see what's inside this pretty hand-dyed bag. Oh my goodness, it's more fun stuff. Oh wow, look at this beautiful sparkly piece. Another doily, some more lace, another one of those beautiful rosettes, and then this gorgeous vintage fabric. All right, so many treasures. It really is like a treasure hunt. I love Doreen's Crystals and Pearls Kit Club kits. They're so much fun. So we've got some envelopes. Wow. In here, she's got one of her digital images from Romantique Serenade. That's so pretty. There's a craft envelope that has an embossed paper of keys. I love keys. Isn't that gorgeous? I would love to have that embossing folder. Doreen's embossing is unbelievable. And here is another tea-dyed envelope with this gorgeous image. Isn't that so elegant? Here's another window envelope with a beautiful embossed craft card. It's like a stationery card. That is such pretty embossing. I hope you can see that. And then another envelope. Oh, there's so many envelopes to play with. Look at that. Isn't that just fabulous? I love that image. And these images are from her Romantique Serenade digital kit. I'll leave you a link to her Etsy shop where you can purchase these. And then here's a fun piece of paper that she has tucked in here for journaling on this hand-dyed envelope. So those envelopes are going to be lots of fun to play with. So this is a crunchy, wow, I love it. That sound is great. That is a perfect sound. That's a crunchy envelope. Everything is tucked in. And then here, let me make this. Here are the papers for the kit. She's tied it with this beautiful vintage lace that she's tea-dyed. I have some more French book page. Beautiful. It's so, the feel of it, it's like a cotton feel. It's like a cotton paper. Some pretty music sheet in French. Oh, look at these hand-dyed papers. These match the colors in the kit, and these were done, and Jennifer did these at A Trace of Sparkle. Gorgeous. Look how they coordinate perfectly. Oh, what a treat. It's going to be hard to use those. All right, look at these digital images in Romantique Serenade. How dreamy. So she's provided us with some of her really pretty digitals. That is just so fabulous. Isn't that just gorgeous? This is perfect for summer when lots of us try to travel to some sunny beach destinations. And what a perfect time to play with this kit. Here's more beautiful elements that she has in the kit. Look at the sandcastle. And then the little bag by the beach chair, like the little beach bag and the umbrella. Isn't that perfect? That is a beautiful floral page. It's so soft and muted colors. So pretty. Oh, there's walking down to the beach. Oh, that's so pretty. This kit is perfect for a long and skinny journal. Not long and skinny, tall and skinny. That would be perfect. This one, these are perfect for that type journal. Look at that, traveling with suitcases. Look at this beautiful background. Oh my, how feminine and elegant is that page of pearls and roses. Oh, that's stunning. Here are some beautiful ladies, absolutely beautiful ladies that she's put in frames. And then here are some of her ephemera pages, some fun tickets to layer and some pretty tags, some washi tape, all kinds of fun things to decorate pockets and tags and envelopes with, and add a lot of interest. London, Eiffel Tower, a lot of interest to our projects. How creative this kit is. Oh, look at these. Looks like she has some pinker pages and then some more vintage pages, and Doreen's really good about giving us both options. So she's given us a little bit of both in here. Look at that peach bag. Oh my. Another beautiful kit, Doreen. These are tickets. Beautiful journaling cards. Oh my. And then here's the other side of the book. And oh, the music sheet. How beautiful this kit is. Every kit I get from the Crystals and Pearls Kit Club is so unique. And I always look fun too, discovering all the treasures Doreen tucks in. She includes things I can't find anywhere else. So there's no one who I found that does these type laces and trims. So this is always a big, big treat. Fun to create with. I'm super excited about getting started with this beautiful kit. Thank you so much, Doreen, for sharing your talents and your treasures with us, and for all the love you always put into your kits. And you guys, I hope you come back and join me and see what I create with this kit. It's going to be fun, and it's going to be beautiful, because when you use these trims, it just turns out beautiful. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will see you soon. Always remember to embellish the story. Bye-bye.